ganun ka vocal about it. Kasi meron tayong, alam mo yun, sobrang, it's a taboo topic dito sa Pilipinas. But there was a time in my life that I thought, kahit surrounded ako with friends, nangyari to, habang may trabaho ako, surrounded with friends, at ngumingiti sa harap ng fans. Nagtuloy ako ng inner struggle that I am not enough. I am not good enough. I will never be enough. And lahat ng iniisip ko nung time na yun, how can I end this? Because I am in so much pain. Na up to the point na yung sakit na yun, naging sobrang stagnant, na yun na yung emotion ko. Hindi na ako nakakaramdam ng happiness. I don't feel fulfilled sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. And palagi ko iniisip, paano kaya, yung pinaka-worst na isip ko nung time na yun, ano kaya nasa isip ng mga tao nagsusuicide? Ano kaya yung thought nila before jumping, before cutting their own wrist, their own neck? How can they hang them? Because I want to learn it. I want to know that idea para lang matapos na yun. And I'm so thankful that even though I have those thoughts, parang meron pa rin glimmering tunnel na, huy, dito ka. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung nakakaramdam ng ganyan. At merong mga tao nagmamahal sa'yo, who genuinely loves you and cares for you. And if nag-give up ka na sa sarili mo, please don't give up on them. So, yun. It has been a long battle, and until now, andun pa rin siya. But I think nasa better headspace na ako ngayon. And with all the help and all the parang knowledge around that particular topic, nagiging it's very uplifting also to know na may nag-care na hindi ka directly kilala.
So, thank you for being so honest and buti na kaya po ako.
Thank you.